Hello there, I'm Yonhu and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my life also. It's a blessed Thursday morning and I'm here at MW Kalayaan. I'm here to work also to fulfill my duty as a merchandiser. This is my everyday routine. Hey Kuya Kopi ko, welcome to my YouTube channel. Shout out sa'yo pare ko. And welcome to this beautiful two ladies sitting on the stair while waiting open the store. Oh, look who's there. He's a dicer also, dicer of State Line product. But where's he going? You know what guys, correct me na lang if I'm wrong kasi ngayon ang topic natin is mag-i-English ako kahit pabale-balentong. I know I'm not that good at English pero syempre kailangan nating pag-aralan yan para mas maraming manood sa ating YouTube channel. That's why I'm trying to speak English kahit na medyo...
Mabigat ka.
Bakit parang... Ba't nag-record ba?
Hello there, this is my product. Yeah, that's right, it's a pickles. You know what is pickle guys? Pickles, as far as I know, this is the some ingredients mixed with meat. Tama ba guys? Putang inang yan, ang hirap pala mag-English kapag ka nag-YouTube. Here's another things guys. After I finish my own product, we will help naman guys ng ibang dicer na para isalansan yung kanilang mga produkto. Kasi syempre tapos ka na sa item mo. Here I come, I already finished my task here at MW Kalayaan. Na-consume ko na yung aking 2 hours. Yan mga pare ko yan. Lilipat naman ako sa kabilang outlet sa MW Paite. Kita-kits tayo doon mga pare ko eh. Hello there, I'm here at MW Paite. Like I said before, when I finish my task at MW Kalayaan, I'm going to MW Paite to fulfill my duty as a merchandiser. So, here I am at MW Paite. See you guys later after my work shift here. Siguro mga 2.5 hours and pupunta naman ako sa Turumba, Paki. Hello there! Kumusta ulit kayo? Nagbabalik ulit ang inyong imaginary vlogger. Tapos na po ang aking duty ngayong araw. Pinakita ko na po sa inyo yung aking araw-araw na ginagawa, yung aking daily life, daily routine kapag pumapasok ako galing trabaho. Tsaka kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa loob ng store. Pinakita ko na po yun sa inyo kanina. Pero sa ngayon, hanggang dito na lang po muna ang aking video. At thank you so much sa lahat ng manonood at nanonood ng aking video. Thank you! Happy viewing!